Hi everybody, I'm GiGi of GiGi Celebrities, and as you guys may have seen last week, I made a video of my top favorite snacks. Now within that video, I mentioned something about avocado pudding, and I told you all that I was going to be making it in an upcoming video. Well, guess what? That is what we are doing today. And when I say we, I mean me, because I'm the one who's making it. But you're gonna follow along, hopefully, and see how exactly I make this pudding. This pudding is an absolutely amazing snack, as I mentioned in my previous video, because it is high in monounsaturated fats, and all of the things I'm going to incorporate into my recipe will supply satiating protein. And you know, for snacks, you want them to be satiating so you can last till your next meal. Now, I'm gonna make a variety of different flavors, but I'm gonna start off by just making the baseline recipe. Then I'm gonna add specific ingredients to make this pudding, for instance, birthday cake flavored, or chocolate flavored, or strawberry flavored, or salted caramel flavor. There are just so many different flavors of this pudding we can make, so I'm here to show you how to do that. Whoa! Let's go! Okay everybody, this is the avocado pudding. Now you can eat this all by itself and it'd be fucking delicious because I was just tasting it and I'm like, whoa. But as I said in the introduction of this video, I am gonna make a lot of different flavors. Now I'm gonna pour this into 4 different bowls and then I'm gonna add the mix-ins that way. If you plan on making just one variety though, I would add it directly into this blender and have it whirl away. But since I wanna make 4 different varieties, I gotta do this by hand, because I only have one blender here, only one. Now if there are any blender companies that are watching this video and you wanna send me another one, I will welcome those with open arms. But right now I wanna welcome this into my mouth, like this. But seriously, the consistency is freaking perfect. Now of course it's green, because hello, avocados are green. Kind of reminds me of Shrek. Maybe I should call this Shrek pudding, but I can assure you it's freaking delicious. Okay guys, I am so ready to dig into all of my puddings to tell you guys how they taste, because I have a little secret to tell all of you. While it may seem like I have made this recipe before, nope, never have. So I really don't actually know how all of these things taste. They just sound so good in my mind. So I'm gonna try them out right now for you on camera, and we are gonna see together if I like them. Then you are gonna go get some avocados at the store and any of the ingredients that I incorporated into these recipes and make them for yourself to see if you in fact like them too. Oh, and I added collagen just because it's really good for your hair, your skin, your nails, your joints, everything, and I don't incorporate collagen into my life all that often, but these avocado puddings are the perfect way to do it because you can't taste it, so you don't even know it's there. But it's doing a whole bunch of good on the inside. Woo! Now I'm gonna try this salted caramel pudding first. How about that? Yeah. Shit, I might eat this whole bowl. But I have others to try. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Whoa. Now again, it looks kind of gross because it's green, but guys, avocados, they're green, get over it. That being said, you cannot judge a book by its cover, because when you actually get into the quote pages of the book, you will be pleasantly surprised, promise. Now I'm gonna try the strawberry variety. This is a big bite for never having this before. This is phenomenal. Moving on to chocolate, because hello, chocolate. Oh yeah, For a girl who does not like chocolate, Boom! This one blew me out of the water. Now, I saved birthday cake for last because that happens to be my favorite flavor ever. And who doesn't want to celebrate their birthday every single day, right? Well, you totally can thanks to this recipe right here. Oh, and by the way, these sprinkles are really something special. My friend over on Instagram actually made these sprinkles from scratch. They are sugar-free, dairy-free, gluten-free, everything free because she is keto. And her name over on Instagram is Ketoholic NYC. So you all have to follow her because she makes some delicious treats. And she's got cookbooks so you guys can all follow along and make them yourself. But that being said, I am gonna plow through this right now. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Happy birthday to me. There is something about food that has rainbow sprinkles on top of it that always makes me like grow a fucking food boner, seriously. So birthday cake, you did not disappoint. And the sprinkles on top just like sealed the frickin' deal for me. So there you have it, everybody. That was my recipe for avocado pudding. And then of course, I threw a couple spins on top of my avocado pudding recipe to give you different flavors. Now, you can think outside of the box and do whatever you want. If you can in fact eat fruit, which this girl right here can't, you could throw strawberries into the mix in the strawberry pudding. You could make a banana pudding if you want. You can do anything. Seriously, the options are endless. So I really encourage you to get to the store, get some avocados, and put your thinking cap on and go for it. And you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go for it right now and eat the rest of this. Oh my God. And don't you dare think for a minute I'm gonna let all of this in here go to waste. No way. Ugh. Okay, everybody, thank you so much for watching this video. I do hope you enjoyed it, and if you do in fact have leftovers of your pudding, what you could do is you could actually put them in ice cube trays and then freeze them, and then you could have a nice frozen treat for the upcoming summer months, perhaps. Dare I say I'm a genius? Okay, everybody, I gotta lick this clean. Thank you so much for watching. I do hope to see you all here next week. Subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, leave me a comment below, do whatever you want. And I'm gonna do whatever I want to this blender right now and all of these bowls. Peace.